Okay, geometric series, week 9, lesson 8. Go ahead and pause right now and go grab a calculator because this lesson is almost impossible without it. All right, so this time we will be finding the sum, right? We've done arithmetic series before, but now we're doing geometric series. So you already know that it means a sum. Okay, but this time the formula is a bit more complicated, and the order that you do it and the parentheses and the calculator, it's all really important. Now, the good news is, if there is any good news about this formula, is that it really only requires 3 things. You need to know what the first term is, you need to know what the ratio is, and you need to know how many numbers you're actually adding up. So as long as you know these 3 things, this formula is not too complicated. So let's move it up. I think I'm going to do 3 examples with you. All right, so let me see if I can write the formula. Sum, this is a sub 1 minus r to the n over 1 minus r. Let me just scoot that down, make sure I've got the formula right. I do. Okay. All right, so I am finding in this problem the sum of the first 8 terms. So it's s sub 8. On the top of this fraction bar, I need the first term, which I can see. And then I need to know what the ratio is. Now, it's not explicitly stated, but I can look at this and go, okay, I have to multiply by -2, multiply by -2, which makes my ratio -2. 1 minus -2. Okay, so in the denominator, 1 minus -2 is 3. On the top, I've got a 3, so those cancel out. So really, all I need to do is grab my calculator and see if I can get it to figure out what 1 minus -2 to the 8th is. All right, and again, I highly suggest some more parentheses. See what you can get. I get an answer here of -255. That is the sum of the first 8 terms. All right, scooting it up. Okay, we're going to try this again. Here's the formula up here. S sub n is a sub 1, 1 minus r to the n, 1 minus r. All right, we're finding the sum of the first 6 terms. So the sum of the first 6. A sub 1, the first term is 2. 1 minus, and my ratio again is a negative number, right? To get from here to here, I multiply by -3. To get from here to here, I multiply by -3. Okay, so on the top I've got this 2, on the bottom I've got a 4, that is going to reduce, and here I have 1 minus -3 to the 6th. Since that reduces, now I'm going to put this into my calculator. And again, this might take you a little bit of practice. 1 minus the answer divided by 2. I get an answer here of -364. All right, if you get something different or if you disagree with me, please feel free to shoot me an email. I do make mistakes, never on purpose, but all right, let's take a look at this one. Let me write the formula. Okay, so I'm finding the sum of the first 6 terms. First term is 64. 1 minus, okay, now this ratio, right, the pattern, or what I multiply by to get from here to here, or from there to there, is 1/2. 1/2, and I'm raising that to the 6th. And down here I have 1 minus 1/2. All right, and this is where my calculator comes in. Let's see if I can do this in my calculator. 0.5 raised to the 6th, 1 minus that answer. All right, I'm getting 126. All right, so again, this is all calculator work. It's not impossible without the calculator, but so much easier with one. Anyway, that's the whole lesson. Good luck. Let me know if you have questions.